So, let me guess. You're outside flying your brand new DJI beast of a drone, literally having the time of your life, and suddenly, you lose control and BAM!
God damn it!
You've officially lost your $1,000 plus drone. Well guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Drones, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to locate and track your DJI drone, even if it's powered off, or even worse, broken. For those of you who don't know, if your DJI drone were to lose power for any reason, the live Find My Drone feature with live feedback will no longer be an option. However, in this video, I will show you guys how to locate it even without the live feedback. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your DJI app. After that, go onto the top right corner and click on the three lines. After that, click on where it says Find My Drone. Once you click that, you'll see that there is no live feedback available. For example, there's no red lines, there's no button to make the drone buzz and beep, etc. Even though there is no live feedback, you'll still be able to see something that is very important in finding your drone: the last missing coordinates. The next few steps are very simple. Copy these coordinates to whatever GPS app you have on your phone. For example, Google Maps or iMap. I think it's what it's called on
Oh my god, bro.
iOS device. You know, I have an Android, so
Get your ass on.
once you got that in your phone, make sure you set the phone transportation to match how you get to the drone. For example, if you lost your drone far away, make sure to set the mode of transportation to a car in order to get better directions on the road, of course. Once you arrive, you can then switch it to the walk mode so you can actually walk to the site where you lost your drone. This isn't by all means the best way to find your drone. Obviously, the live Find My Drone feature is by far the best way, but it definitely is the best last resort if you genuinely lost your drone and can't get it to respond. Believe me or not, I actually used this method to find my drone when I crashed it a while back. If you guys want a story time on that, make sure to drop it in the comments. Tell me you want a story time and I'll definitely make sure to inform you guys on that. So just make sure that once you arrive at the location, you look very closely to try to locate where your drone could have crashed. Well, that's pretty much how to find your drone if it decides to take a bit of time for itself. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like and even subscribe. I know I've been offline for the better part of a year now, and there's a lot of reasons for that. Again, I can explain all that in another video. Just let me know. Also, I'm going to be much more consistent with uploads, so stay tuned for these new uploads, and hopefully we can get back to where we were, guys. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace!
I'll make you leave in the side. Tell me what you want. Just let me pack up your past. I got your diamonds and chains. I'm running out with a ride. Yeah, I'm #1. Ain't nobody can match.